Do you know how to post pictures on social media? You do well. That is fantastic since you are currently qualified to start generating money with this strategy. Today, we will be using a one-of-a-kind website to post images and earn passive income. Don't worry, you won't be taking any of these images yourself since I will also teach you how to find free photos. This is something that everyone can do because it is so easy and beginner friendly. Like almost all of my other videos, today's method is completely free. You don't have to invest any money and it works globally. So you don't have to go through the trouble of setting up a VPN and all that. I will give you guys a step-by-step tutorial on what you need to do, so pay close attention so you don't miss anything. As a bonus, I will give you guys some tips and tricks to possibly double or even triple your online income. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online on a daily basis, so make sure you finish watching the video and stay tuned whenever we release a new method so you can be the first and one of the first to try it out. Like and comment down below, it will help us with the YouTube algorithm and we will reach a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever we upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and switch on notifications and you will be notified anytime I submit a new video. The website that we will be using today is Upload, which you can do this by going to up-load.io. As you can see right here, file sharing is made easy, it is free and always will be. So basically, this is a website where you can upload and download files for free. Now you might be wondering how this will allow you to earn money. Well, I will explain exactly how in a moment. If you scroll down a little, you will see that having access to all of your files needed strong features have made file storage easy. You won't find any place else, whether you are sharing PDF, APK software, or documents users upload can ease your workflow. Under that, you will find things like 50 gigabytes of free storage, which allows all users to upload PDF, ZIP, APK, EXE, and other file kinds, so you can absolutely upload a lot of stuff here. 50 gigabytes is more than enough to save thousands of images. All users can upload with unlimited speed regardless of the size of the files you're uploading, so you won't have any trouble uploading your photos here because the servers can handle your loan, share direct links, upload your files, and share with your friends and family, and get the money. You get 50% of what they earn, so if you don't want to upload photos here, you can just refer other people to upload photos, and you will earn a portion of their earnings in addition to unrestricted download speed. They are cautious with their download speed so that users do not have any difficulty downloading their files. Under that, you can find different statistics regarding this website, such as the fact that it has over 2 million files, 187 terabytes of storage space, and over 45,000 users. So there are a lot of individuals making money here, and you might be one of them. Now let's talk about how you can make money from this website. If you like what you have seen so far, please leave a like and comment down below. Also, please do subscribe to the channel because it will teach you more ways to make money online. So click on that notification bell to be notified when a new video is released. So you have to click on the Make Money button at the top and they will send you to another page where they will explain how you may earn money from this website. As you can see, Upload.io, which you may be familiar with, operates on a concept known as PPD, which allows you to get paid based on the number of downloaded files you receive. So what you are going to do is post a file to this website and be paid for each download, which is what PPD. This implies that another opportunity to earn money on this website is through their PPS model, in which you are paid per sale of your files. However, it is far more difficult to sell your files because most people are unlikely to buy your file. As a result, we will concentrate on the PPD approach today. Whenever you start generating money on this website, you can withdraw your amount once the test hits the $3 minimum payout. Payments from Upload may now be received by PayPal, Payeer, WebMoney, and Payoneer. You do not need to be concerned because these payments can be received anywhere in the world. Payments are typically made in 24 hours, so you will receive your money immediately. But how much money will you make from this website? If you go down a little farther, you will discover cover a chart that illustrates their payout rates, which vary depending on where the downloaders are from. As you can see, they have 4 levels: A, B, C, and D. Here are A countries that will pay you the most: the United States, Canada, and Switzerland. In this case, B countries such as the United Kingdom, Australia, France, Germany, Spain, Italy, and Hong Kong are examples. And this is C. Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates are 2 nations. Belgium, the Russian Federation, Mexico, Brazil, Japan, and China are among the countries represented. The rest of the countries is in Tier D and will pay you the least amount of money. So you obviously want to target people in Tier 8 nations, but even Tier 2 users may make a lot of money from you, so let us get started making money by uploading photos. To begin, sign up for an account by clicking on this button right here, which will take you to another web page where you can sign up by filling in the necessary details such as your username, email, password, retype your password, and payment information. Select your payment method, verify you are not a robot, and then hit register. Now, a short piece of advice is that you create a new dummy email account to register on this website, because certain websites like this prefer to send promotional material into your email, and these promotional materials may wind up overflowing your inbox, causing you to miss out on key facts. I personally use a dummy email and encourage you to do the same. Once you have your account, you can begin uploading your images. However, as I mentioned earlier, they have a way to get photos to upload for free. We will really utilize another website to achieve this, which I will teach you right now. But wait, before we continue, I would like to inform you that we will be posting more videos online on this channel. The purpose of this channel is to assist you guys to understand how to build a stream of online money into your PayPal account. I put a lot of effort into these videos to ensure that they operate. So I would appreciate it if you guys subscribe and press the notification bell, and don't forget to smash the like button and leave a comment down below. Now let's return to the video. There are 2 places where you may download pictures for free. The first is Pexels, which can be found at pexels.com. As you can see, from the top free stock images, royalty-free images, and videos offered by artists, you can now browse down and see a slew of royalty-free photos that you may download. Don't worry about copyright concerns because they are royalty-free, which means you have the freedom to use them whatever you want, even if you sell them. However, we want to target those who have previously tiered 8 countries, so I am going to key in the word United States and seek photographs linked to it. Once you have selected a photo that you like, you will be presented with several others related to the United States. Simply click on it and then click on the download option. One interesting aspect of Pexels is that you do not need to register an account to begin downloading from this website. Anyway, once you've downloaded your photo, you may submit it to upload.io. But if you didn't find a photo you like, you can go to the second website, unsplash.com. Unsplash is the internet source of truly usable images powered by creators everywhere. No, this is another royalty-free stock photo website, just like Pexels, where you can download media and use it however you want. Just follow the same procedure as Pexels and search for the keyword of the country you want to target. Once you've found a photo you like, simply click on it and hit the download option. Just like Pexels, you don't need an account to do so. I would like you to return to upload.io once you've finished your photos. Then I would like you to choose the file you wish to upload. Once you've chosen your file, just click Start Uploading to begin the upload process. After it finishes uploading, copy or download a link and share it with others so they can download your images. Alright, that is pretty much all you have to do now is post more photos, share your link, and watch as your PayPal account fills up quickly. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new about this content. If you find this video useful, please leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. Once again, thank you so much and I'll see you in the next one.